Hi, welcome to an AutoCAD Fusion 360 video tutorial. I've decided to maybe cover this program as well, so if you want to see more, give the video a like down below or just leave a comment. So I want to do the Kurbelgehaeuse, which I did before in all the other programs. Let's see how it works out. Let's start with a sketch on this plane. Okay, let's draw a circle. There's a shortcut, it's C. And the diameter should be 38. Okay, first sketch done. So stop sketch. Make an extrude with this sketch. Make it symmetric. And that's interesting. You could choose half length or whole length. Nice feature. So go for whole length. And the distance should be 33.5. And confirm. So I need another sketch. So go for a rectangle, 2-point rectangle on the same plane, and you could, first you have to draw the rectangle, and it's 38 by 8. Confirm. And you could slice the sketch. It's almost like an inventor. The whole user interface and all the commands, very inventor-like. Okay. Now, if you want to make this symmetric, you would have to project something into the sketch. So let's go for project. And I want to project this axis. Confirm. Let's set this to construction only. Okay. Now let's make this symmetric. This one, that one, symmetric to this line. Okay. Then I need a dimension. The shortcut for dimension is D. And dimension from this line to the center point is 19. And stop the sketch. Now let's make another extrude with this sketch. On one side, that's okay, and you could start with an offset, so we'll start with an offset. Very nice. And the offset should be 13.5 divided by 2, and the distance should be 10 millimeters. And make it a new body. Don't cut it, make it a new body. New body. And okay. Now I want to make a pattern. Something strange with the pattern. You have to have some sort of reference elements to make it work. But maybe I haven't figured out it yet. Possible because this is my first ever video and the second time I use this program. So let's see what will happen. First I want to make fillets. Fillets, the shortcut is F, so go for fillets. Select all the edges. I want to give them a fillet, and this should be 4 millimeters. Okay, so let's go for the linear pattern. Create pattern, rectangular pattern. I want to pattern a body, so that's the body. Select the direction, so I go for this direction. I want to have 2, and the distance should be 30. And to select the other direction, press Ctrl and select the other direction. I want to have 2 as well, and the direction should be minus 23.5. Yes, looks good. Now I could combine these bodies, so go for Modify, Combine, Join, not a new component, not keep tools. So I want to join this body with that body, that body, that body, and that body, and confirm. Now it's one body again. Next, another sketch. Again on this plane. You could slice the graphics, slice the sketch. It's a rectangle, and it's 6 by 60. And the midpoint should be right here centered. Yes. Stop sketch and make another extrusion with this sketch. Okay, make it symmetric. Make it the complete dimension, and this should be 33.5. And it should not be a cut, but it should be a join or a new body. So in this case I will go straightforward for join and OK. Very nice indeed. So next sketch should be on this plane. Again, slice sketch, and I want a circle. Shortcut is C, and the diameter of this circle should be 32. Stop the sketch. Make another extrude. And the distance should be 67.567. And it's not a cut, but again I will join it. And OK. I need another sketch. Again on that plane. I will try to do it as similar as possible to the other programs. On this plane. Slice sketch. It's another circle. Just use the shortcut C. And this one has a diameter of 43. Okay, stop sketch. Let's make an extrude with the sketch. Yes, it should be minus 1.5, and it should start with an offset. So the offset should be 67.5. So this was a cut, I suppose. So there's a timeline. You can go back there. Yeah. Go for a join and and confirm. Nice. Now I want to pattern this, so go for create rectangular pattern. I want to pattern, in this case, feature, add feature. That's the one. And the direction should be this, and the distance should be -3, and I want to have 8, and confirm. Very nice. Another sketch on that plane. You could, for example, hide this body. So this will be a circle C. Diameter should be 43. So just give it a dimension. D is the shortcut. Okay, then I need a rectangle. And this is 26 by... This doesn't really matter, make it 60. I want to use this axis as symmetry line, so I will go for project. It's P. Shortcut is P. And select the should be set. Is it? No, it's not set. It's Y, X, X. Yes, it's X. Okay, let's remove this line because I don't need it and set this one to construction, just for safety purposes. Now let's make it symmetric. This line and that line to that projected element. Okay, and make this point on that line. Yes, now let's trim. Shortcut for trim is T. That's okay. Stop the sketch. Now let's make an extrude. And this should go up to 44. And make it a new body. Now let's make a fillet. Fillet shortcut is F, and I want to fill these two edges. Radius 5. Another fillet. This edge 5 again. Now let's show the other body. And now I could combine these two, so go for modify, combine, and combine body 1 and body 2. And okay. So I need another sketch on that plane right here. That's the epsilon z plane, yes. Let's slice the sketch. It's a rectangle which is 11 by 49. And need another symmetry, so therefore I will project an element into my sketch P, and this should be the y-axis. Yes. Set it to construction. Okay. Now make it symmetric. This line and that line symmetric to this one. Now I need a distance d from this line to that point, and this should be 41 minus 5.5. Stop sketch, make an extrude. The other way around, in this direction. Not a cut, but a new body. And the distance should be 26. I'm sorry. Minus 26. Okay. Now use fillet F. This edge, that edge, this one and that one, and it should be 5.5. So I missed one, obviously. Select this one as well. Come on. Not possible? Crazy. Let's remove them all. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5.5. Confirm. Now I could join. These two bodies, go for combine. This body and that body, and confirm. So now I've got my complete volume, and now I will start to remove volume from this model. I need a sketch which is just a circle, so go for sketch on that plane right here. That's the XY plane. Maybe hide this body for a moment. It's a circle, and the diameter should be, I think it's 32. Yes. Okay. Stop sketch. Show this other body. Make it an extrude with the sketch, last one right here. Make it two sides, make it not a new body, make it a cut, and make it all and all, and try to select it. Okay. Confirm. Another sketch on this plane. Just hide the body. It's another circle. C is the shortcut, and the diameter should be 27. Okay, stop sketch. It's another cut. To create with this one, not a new body but a cut, and one side is okay, and make it all. Confirm. Oh, I missed something over here, but I will fit it in later. Okay, now again a sketch on this plane. Yes. just hide the body. It's a rectangle which is 8, no, it's 26 by 8. There should be a distance from this line to that point, and this would be 41 minus 4. Stop sketch, show this body. Yes, looks good. Create with this sketch right here. Make it to the other side and make it all and confirm. Very, very nice. Now again, sketch on this plane, hide the body, another circle, diameter should be 40. I need a rectangle, or is there a symmetrical one? Let's check. Rectangle, center. I can use a center rectangle, yes. That's the center. And the distance should be 23. And the other one doesn't really matter, 60 for example. Now let's trim, or just draw a line right here. Now let's trim. T for trim. This should go away, this should go away, that one, this one, that one, that one, that one, and these as well. And stop sketch. Now let's make another extrude, but this time it's a cut with an offset. So go create with this sketch, make it not a new body, make it a cut. No, just make it at first a new body, sorry. And this new body should go from offset plane, and this offset should be 6. And the distance should be 36.5, 36.5, and confirm. So it didn't make a new body, it switched back to cut, so go for a new body and confirm. Let's hide body 1 and use fillet, this edge and that edge, and the radius should be 3.5, and another fillet right here, 3.5. And now let's remove, this body from that body. So go for combine, and I don't want to join, I want to cut. Target body is body 1, and the tool body is body 8 in this case, and confirm. Yes, indeed. Okay, there are missing some holes, and up there's still something missing which I should fit in right now. So yeah, I could do it with a sketch on that plane as well, or should I insert another plane? Whatever, doesn't really matter. So go for create sketch, make it on that plane. Just hide the body. and that's a circle. Go for C, and the diameter should be 7, and it should be aligned to that one, and there should be a distance, and the distance is where is it? It's 34. No, not 34, but 17. Stop sketch. Let's show this body again. Let's make an extrude. Make it a new body, that's okay. And it should be -8. And the offset should be 67.5, 67.5. Not a cut, but a new body. Confirm. Now let's make that's no good right here, so maybe I will change the sketch to diameter of 6. Yes. Now let's make a circular pattern with this body 9. Go for create pattern, circular pattern. I want to pattern body 9, so go for body 9. The axis should be this one. I want to have a full circle with 6 instances, and confirm. Yes. Now I could combine these bodies. Go for combine, body, body, and confirm. And again, that's crazy, it always switches automatically to the wrong one. I want to join it. Confirm. Now let's go for the holes. The shortcut for holes is H. And I want to place it on that surface. Depth should be 5 mm. Diameter should be 3 mm. And tap angle should be 0. And 0 is not accepted, so make it 180. Yes. And if you move this, you will see it shows the center points of these circles, and you just can snap on it. Nice feature. And okay. So I want to pattern this one. So go for pattern, rectangular pattern. Select the feature, that's the feature. And the directions. One direction is this one, and another direction is that one. So in this case I want 2. I think the distance should be -30. and 2 in the other direction, and the distance should be -30 as well in this case, and confirm. Now I think I could mirror the hole and the pattern. Yeah, let's do mirror. So go to modify, no, go to create and go for mirror, and I want to mirror this one and that one, and the mirror plane should be this one. Confirm. Very nice. I just noticed there's something wrong with this, or is it? No, that's wrong. That's not symmetric. Or is it? No, that's not symmetric. Well, it betrays the eye. Something's not symmetric. It's orthographic, yes, that's okay. But this is not. Maybe that's not symmetric. So let's check it out. It was a sketch. This one. Nope. That one. And just hide the body. No, it's not symmetric. So let's project one axis, P. This one, okay. And set it to construction. Make it symmetric. This line and that line should be symmetric to this one. Stop sketch and show the body. That's more like it. Yes. And hide the sketch. Okay. Then I need another hole right here, which should go through. As far as I remember. Yes. So shortcut is H on that plane, and let's do 1 diameter. This should go through all. Diameter 3, tap angle doesn't really matter, and just move this one right over here and confirm. Now I could mirror this, or I could make a pattern. I will go for mirror. So let's go to create mirror. I want to mirror this one, and the plane is this one, the mirror plane, and confirm. Okay, then okay, next go again to hole, and I want to make a hole on this face. So you can give it a distance in that direction. No, just okay. Move it over here. And at point single hole or from sketch. There is no possibility to define it right here. So cancel this out and I go for sketch. Sketch, which could in this case be on that surface or on that plane as well. Okay, let's do it like this. Hide the body, and I need a point, just the point. And this point should be somewhere over here. Give it a distance. In that direction it should be 55 divided by 2. And in the second direction it should be 12.5. You could do a pattern in the sketch as well, but usually I don't do this, so I go here and go there and just make a hole. Press H and it's this one. And it should snap. Does it snap? Not really. So there is a distance right here. Should snap. Doesn't snap. That's odd. Go for references and then it snaps. Okay. Diameter is 3 and it should go through all. Yeah, confirm. Now let's make a rectangular pattern. I want to pattern this hole. Select the directions. One direction, second direction. I want to have 2. And that's 55. And I want to have 2. And this should be minus 25. And confirm. Nice. And a circular pattern for the holes over here. So let's go for another sketch. Make it, in this case, on that surface. And hide the body for a moment. It's another point. It's somewhere over here. Make it aligned to this one and give it a dimension. Nope. And the distance should be 17. And stop sketch. And let's show the body. So seems to me I just projected something, so I will redo this. That's odd. Why did the color of this one change? Sketch 13, that's this one. Sketch 14, that's that one. I'm not quite sure what happened. Please remember it's the first or second time I use this program. So Stop sketch. Maybe remove this, whatever it is. Delete. Yeah. Let's try once again. Sketch on that. Oh, that's just it. Gets this color because it's selected. Okay. Circle for a point. Maybe I can select the center point of this one which lies beneath, and it seems to me it's this one. Stop sketch. And make another hole. Face point. Face reference is this one, and it's 3, and the depth in this case is not really defined, so it's 5. Hide the sketches and make another circular pattern. I want to pattern this one here, not a body but a feature. Okay, and the axis is the y-axis. Full circle, 6 instances, and confirm. Very neat, very nice. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more AutoCAD Fusion 360 videos, give it a comment or a like down below. See you to the next one. Bye bye.